Hey everyone, we got a little something special for you. We have the He-Man and the Masters of the Universe omnibus. I was wanting to review this for a while, but it took a little while to get through. This sucker is a huge book. Massive, but it contains a lot of amazing stuff. So this book here contains, let's see here, He-Man and the Masters Universe, Series 1, Series 2, number 1 through 19. It's He-Man the Eternity War, 1 through 50. Masters of the Universe Digital Chapters, 1 through 8. Masters of the Universe Origin of He-Man. Masters of the Universe Origin of Horde Attack. Origin of Skeletor. Then you have DC Universe versus Masters, 1 through 6. He-Man and ThunderCats, 1 through 6. DC Comics number 47, which is the first appearance of He-Man, which I always thought was pretty cool. One of my favorites, actually, one of my favorite books of all time. I actually have a copy of it up on the wall there. And it also has the Masters Universe preview that came in a bunch of the comics. And then it's the original series, Masters of the Universe, from DC 1 through 3. And then it has about a couple hundred pages worth of artwork in here too. So I love the old He-Man stuff as a kid. That was one of the main reasons I wanted to get this book, was because of the old printing stuff here. It does have like I said, that old He-Man in it with the first with the Superman and that Superpowers one, which was a great read to get as well. But it also has the like I said, this was the preview imprint that came in, a 14-page preview that came in a bunch of the books. I think it was 14 different books back in the day. And then they have the DC Limited series as well too, which is a great read as well too. The one thing that's not in here, which I didn't expect to be, but I kind of thought hoped it would be the Marvel stuff, the Star Universe stuff. But this is all just the DC stuff, and it's a really great read. It has this artwork on the cover inside the dust jacket. Is a great piece as well. Great wraparound piece. And the story itself is great. You don't have to be a He-Man fan to know this. It's a great place to start off because it kind of covers everything. Just almost a little bit of retconning in that, but it's really good. Lots of different types of artwork here because, like I said, this book does cover several different series and that. But it goes through the history of Eternia and He-Man. Kind of gives us updated versions of the origins of She-Ra and Skeletor and King Hiss and Hordak, so it's really quite cool that way. Yeah, some stuff that they retcon is kind of neat, other stuff not so much. Lots of different little Easter eggs in that here too, so if you are a fan of He-Man, you'll see lots of little different Easter egg and characters and references to some of the previous stuff in that. It is really cool. Like I said, some of the books have amazing art in it. Like this one here, this story is done by Ben Oliver. Some great artwork there. And then you get some other stuff that's not as awesome. Some kind of cartoony, kind of just not as great artwork. But again, too, this book itself is I would say a must for any He-Man or Masters of the Universe fan, because it does cover, like I said, all the Masters of the Universe. You got some He-Man against the DC Universe stuff in here, and, which is also pretty cool, you have, later on in here, where is it? Towards the end, you have He-Man and the ThunderCats, with Freddie Williams art there too, so that's pretty cool too. So again, it's neat how they kind of mash up some of these characters, or not mash them up, I say, but cross them over in that. So lots of good fun there. If you're a He-Man fan, you'll definitely like the ThunderCat part stuff too. All right. So yeah, this book is well over 1,000 pages, probably closer to 1,500, and again, lots of amazing, cool artwork in the back as well too. Different concept art, different art that was not used. See, this is unused art from the Injustice versus the Alright, so like I said, if you're a Masters of the Universe fan, He-Man fan, a younger fan, an older fan, this is definitely the book for you. And it says, by the power of Grayskull, I have the power. And you're going to need it to pick up this book, because like I said, this book is heavy. It took me over a month to read this, just chipping away here and there. So check it out, guys. See you next time.